Hi, my name is Josie Sumalpong and I'm going to sing Jar of Hearts by Christina Perry. No, I can't take one more step towards you, 'cause all that's waiting is regret. And don't you know I'm not your ghost anymore? You lost the love I loved the most. Don't you live happy life and now you want me one more time. And who do you think you are? Running around leaving stars, collecting your jar of hearts, and tearing love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul. So don't come back to me. Who do you think you are? Oh, you're asking all around if I am anywhere to be found. But are you going to try? You never come back in your arms. I learned to live happy life. Now you let me run more time. Who do you think you are? Running around leaving scars. Collecting your jar of hearts. Tearing love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul. So don't come back for me. Who do you think you are? This took so long just to feel alright. Remember how you put back the light in my eyes. I wish I had missed the first time that we came. 'Cause you so cold, love me back. And now you're back. Don't get me back. Who do you think you are? Right now leaving scars. So your jar apart, tearing them apart. You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul. So don't come back for me. Come back to us. And who do you think you are? One round easy stars, collecting your giant bars, tearing love apart. It's not a crack to cold, but the ice inside your soul. You can come back to me, don't come back enough. Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you